Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use the Web View widget in Teta. This widget will allow us to view a whole web page fully on our screen. Let's try it out. Let's first add a state within the scaffold and place Web View Controller as our type. Let's confirm. At this point, we add the widget right after the first container. We do this so it can be set directly to the whole size of our page. Let's then place the WebView controller type variable in the appropriate field. Let's now press play. As you can see, the whole screen has been filled up by our Teta web page. On a side note, the WebView can also be used inside a container and controlled through a gesture detector. We can even control it thanks to a button when, for example, wanting to reload the page. All we have to do is place WebView on tap, reload, and state 1 within the action. We can now see how everything works out when pressing play. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!